Title: BlackVue Elite 82CH Dashcam 256GB plus hardwiring kit, 2K QHD front camera with STARVIS 2 sensor, HDR, smart parking mode, power saving, event detection, GPS, G-sensor, USB-C installation script. Did you know that dash cams are becoming essential for modern drivers? Whether it's for safety, insurance claims, or peace of mind, having a reliable dash cam can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the BlackVue Elite 82CH Dashcam, a 2K QHD camera that promises to bring you crystal clear footage day or night. Let's break down what makes this dashcam stand out and whether it lives up to the hype. First off, the BlackVue Elite 822CH offers dual 2K QHD recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring sharp and detailed video whether you're driving in the bright sun or at night. This level of resolution is a big step up from the usual 1080p cams you find on the market. Both the front and rear cameras are equipped with the advanced STARVIS 2 image sensors, which deliver improved low-light performance. So, whether it's a bright afternoon or a dark rainy evening, this dashcam is designed to capture vivid clarity at all times. Now let's talk about the HDR, high dynamic range, and advanced ISP, image signal processing, tuning. This combo balances out bright spots and shadows, so no more overexposed skies or too dark shadows. The result? Clear, balanced footage no matter the driving conditions. Another standout feature is the smart parking mode. If you're worried about what happens to your car while it's parked, this dashcam has you covered. With motion and impact detection, it automatically saves footage 10 seconds before an event. Plus, it includes a time-lapse mode for consistent 24/7 surveillance, which is great if you leave your car in busy or risky areas. The hardwiring kit ensures that your dashcam runs even when your car is off, using a minimal amount of power, less than 1 milliamps in standby, so you don't need to worry about draining your battery. Now, the setup. The BlackVue Elite 82CH uses USB-C for installation, which makes it easier to connect and ensures faster data transfer. The hardwiring kit allows you to bypass the cigarette lighter socket, providing a clean and professional look. This also helps maintain your vehicle's power system for longer-lasting functionality. But no product is perfect. Let's go over the pros and cons. Pros: clear 2K QHD video day and night with the advanced STARVIS 2 sensor. Dual HDR tuning provides balanced video quality in challenging lighting conditions. Smart parking mode for reliable monitoring when you're away from your vehicle. Power saving mode uses minimal power in standby, giving you long-term surveillance without draining your battery. Seamless USB-C hardwiring for a clean install. Cons? The hardwiring installation may be a bit tricky for those without experience in car electrical systems. To fully utilize parking mode, you'll need to invest in the hardwiring kit, which may not be included in the basic package. When it comes to value for money, the BlackVue Elite 82CH offers solid performance for the price. You're getting excellent video quality, smart features like parking mode, and reliable 24/7 monitoring. However, the installation process may be a bit more complex compared to other models that rely on plug-and-play setups. Comparison time. Compared to the Garmin Dashcam 66 Buddy, which offers 1440p video and has a compact design, the BlackVue provides more advanced features, especially in parking surveillance and low-light performance, thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor. However, Garmin's model is easier to install and more compact, making it a good option for those who prefer a simpler setup. Now, who's this product best for? The BlackVue Elite 82CH is great for drivers who want peace of mind knowing their car is being monitored around the clock, especially those who park in high-risk areas or want enhanced nighttime visibility. It's not the best option for those who are looking for a super easy DIY installation, but for car owners who are comfortable with a hardwired setup, this dashcam offers excellent features. So, what's the final verdict? Strong option. If you value high-quality video, advanced parking mode, and a reliable build, the BlackVue Elite 82CH is one of the stronger options in its class. If this breakdown has helped you stay ahead of the curve when it comes to dashcams, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget the bell for more fresh reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to check out the product, you can find all the details in the comments and description below. Feel free to leave any questions or share your thoughts if you've already got one of these on your car. Until next time, keep your ride autovated and your drive smooth.